Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to start with new lesson. Yesterday we studied about countable and uncountable nouns, correct? The nouns which we can count are called countable nouns and the nouns which we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. Correct? When we say I have a 10 pencils, so 10 is what? 10 pencils is what? It is a countable noun. We can count pencils. Pens we can count, benches we can count, books we can count, correct? The nouns which we can count are countable nouns and the nouns which we cannot count are called uncountable nouns like salt, salt I can tell you, sugar, then more what examples are there, milk, water, that we cannot count, oil. Those are which types of nouns? They are uncountable nouns. And today we are going to study the noun number. Okay. Now what is this noun number? That we are going to study here. There are two sentences here. It is, look at the following sentences. Some sentences are given and we have to study from that. We all have one mouth, 2 hands, 10 fingers and 2 feet. The noun mouth is singular and the nouns hands, fingers and feet are plurals. Okay. When we say I have one mouth, everyone has how many mouths? Do you have 10 mouths? No, we have one mouth. आपल्याला किती तोंड असतं? एकच तोंड असतं. Okay, we have one mouth, right? Then here it is told that 2 hands, correct? 10 fingers and 2 feet. So when we speak about one mouth, then one means what? One means singular. Singular and plural आपण शिकलेलो आहे. Okay, singular means what? One. And when we talk about more than one, then it is what? It is a plural. Okay. When we speak of one thing, okay, one pen, one pencil, that is what? That is singular. And when we speak about the things which are more than one, that is called plural. Understood? So here it is told that a singular stands for one person, place, animal, bird or thing. And a plural stands for more than one of them. एक जर असलं तर सिंग्युलर आणि एकापेक्षा जास्त असलं तर ते काय होतं? प्लुरल्स. ओके. In this way, when we speak about one thing, that is singular, and when we speak about the things more than one, they are called plurals. Now here there are some common ways of forming plurals. From one we can form many, correct? One pen, many pens. One dress, many dresses. One book, many books, correct? One mango, many mangoes. But it is having some rules. Some rules are there. The first rule which is given here is by adding normal s to the singular noun. There are some words, they change to plural. Singular मधून ते plural मध्ये change कसे होतात? फक्त normal s जोडल्यानंतर ते plural मध्ये change होतात. Okay. Now here examples are given. Tail, by adding s to the singular noun. Tail, tails. Rat, rats. Room, rooms. Okay. Now second one is by adding es to the singular noun when it ends in o, x, ch, sh. Okay. Now second question is given, what? By adding what? By adding es to which words? The words which are ending, जे शब्द o नी एंड होतात, x नी एंड होतात, sh नी एंड होतात, ch नी एंड होतात. ओके. अशा शब्दांना काय करायचं असतं? es जोडायचे. काय जोडायचे? We are going to add es to the words to the words ending with o, x, sh, ch, ss. Okay. Whatever words are ending with these letters. Okay. Now if I will give you first word mango, mango, mango. Mango word is ending with what? It is ending with o. Now x, if I will give you word box, if I will give you word If I'll give you word box, okay, it is ending with which letter? X letter. If I will give you word brush, 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 brush word is ending with what? SH. If I will give you word BUNCH, bunch, bunch word is ending with what? CH. If I will give you word grass, the word grass is ending with what? Double S. Correct. Now here mango. Now what we have to add? ES. सगळ्याला काय करायचं आहे आपल्याला? ES जोडायचं आहे. So MANGOES, mangoes. One mango, many mangoes. Now box, BOXES, boxes. One box, many boxes. Brush, we are going to add ES to it. So what this word will become? It will become brushes. One brush, many brushes. Next one is bunch. When we speak of one bunch, then it is what? Bunch. And when we add ES to it, then what it becomes? It becomes bunches. Are you understanding? Have you understood or not? One bunch, many bunches. Do you understand it? Next one is grass. If we add ES to it, it will become grasses. This is one rule. Okay, first rule was what? By adding S to the singular form. Second one is by adding ES to the words which are ending with O letter, which are ending with X letter, which are ending with SH letter, which are ending with CH letter, and which are ending with SS. Now next is given here is there are some exceptional cases. Some words are ending with O, some words are ending with X, some words are ending with SH. पण अशा शब्दांना आपण काय करतो? ES जोडत नाही. ओके, विच आर दोज? किलो, फॉर एक्झाम्पल KILO, किलो, त्याला फक्त नॉर्मल S जोडायचं आहे. फोटो, फक्त नॉर्मल S जोडायचं आहे. पियानो, नॉर्मल S जोडायचं आहे. रेडिओ, नॉर्मल S जोडायचं आहे. ओके. नाउ थर्ड वन इज बाय चेंजिंग द फायनल Y ऑफ द सिंग्युलर नाउन इनटू I. ज्या ज्या शब्दांना शेवटी Y असतो तो Y चेंज करून काय करायचा? I टाकायचा आणि ES जोडायचा. ओके. नाउ सम एक्झाम्पल्स आय विल गिव्ह यू. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, दिस इज थर्ड वन. SKY. ओके, SKY. more BABY, LADY. स्काय, बेबी, लेडी, हे सगळे काय आहे? सिंग्युलर आहे, सिंगल आहे, वन आहे. ओके. नाव वाय ऐवजी काय करायचं आहे? SKY ऐवजी I टाकायचं आहे. ओके. अँड ES जोडायचं आहे. स्काय, स्काईज. ओके, स्काय, स्काईज. देन बेबी, नाव इन्स्टेड ऑफ Y, BABY, Y ऐवजी I टाकायचं आहे आणि ES जोडायचं आहे. बेबीज. लेडी, instead of Y we have to add I and we have to add ES. Ladies. One lady, many ladies. One baby, many babies. One sky, many skies. Okay. Next, some words are given here is, now here also some exceptions are there. Boy. Boy is ending with what? Boy is ending with Y. पण ES जोडलेला आहे का? आपण त्याला Y आपण I मध्ये चेंज केलं आहे का? नाही, नॉर्मल S जोडलेला आहे फक्त. KEY, की, कीला आपण काय करायला आहे? फक्त नॉर्मल S जोडलेला आहे. RAY, रेला काय केलेलं आहे? फक्त नॉर्मल S जोडलेला आहे. ओके. इन दिस वे वी हॅव कम्प्लिटेड आवर थर्ड पॉईंट. नाउ फोर्थ वन इज बाय चेंजिंग द फायनल F or FE of the singular noun into V and adding ES. जर शब्द F आणि FE नी एंड होत असतील तर ते काय करायचे? ते काढून काय करायचं? V जोडायचा. येस, V जोडायचा आणि ES लावायचं त्याला. ओके. द वर्ड्स विच आर एंडिंग विथ F and फोर्थ वन, the words which are ending with F and FE there are some words which are ending with what? They are ending with F and FE. Instead of these two letters, what we have to do? We have to write V and add ES. Understood? For example, if I'll give you word, if I will give you word calf, 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 शेवटचा शब्द कोणता आहे, लेटर कोणता आहे, F, तर त्याच्याऐवजी काय करायचं आहे, CALF ऐवजी V लावायचं आहे, V जोडायचा आणि ES ला ॲड करायचा. Instead of F we are going to write V and we are going to add ES. Okay, there are some more example. Knife, KNIFE, knife. So what we have to do, FE काढायचं आहे आणि त्याच्याऐवजी काय जोडायचं आहे, काय टाकायचं आहे, V, KNIV and add ES, knives. Understood? Have you understood? Next one is leaf. For example, leaf, LEAF, leaf. Now instead of F, what we have to write down? We have to write down V and we have to add ES. So one leaf and many leaves. झाडाला एक पान असतं त्याला आपण पान म्हणतो आणि एकापेक्षा जास्त असल्यावर आपण त्यांना काय म्हणतो, पानं. ओके, सो वन लीफ, मेनी लीव्स. So in this way we have studied 4 rules how to change singular to plural. Okay, and here some exceptionals are given. Gulf, if you will take word Gulf, you don't have to change F, त्याला फक्त S जोडायचं आहे. Cliff, फक्त S जोडायचं आहे. Safe, फक्त S जोडायचं आहे. Handkerchief, फक्त handkerchiefsला S जोडायचं आहे. And last one is plural of letters and figures are formed as BA, BAs, MSc, MSCs. 6 हा काय नंबर आहे, 6 एका, करेक्ट. Bs, this is not much important, this is not for you, you are just now in 4th standard, but when you will go in higher classes, that time this 5th point will be helpful to you. Okay, in this way we studied first 5 rules. There are more 4 rules that I will explain you tomorrow, and then we will complete this lesson tomorrow. Okay, thank you. We will meet tomorrow again with this same lesson, the noun number. Okay, thank you.